All right, let's start with vertex form. Vertex. So I have a vertex here at -2, 2. So I'm going to do, and it's going right one, up one. So I'm going to have x minus -2 squared plus 2. I'm going to have x plus 2 squared plus 2. We can convert that into standard form without too much trouble. We're going to have x squared plus 2x plus another 2x for a total of 4x, plus 2 squared is 4, plus this 2 on the outside. I'm going to have x squared plus 4x plus 6. A factored form for this guy could be a little tricky. Let's try the Babylonian method for this one. If I do x coordinate of my vertex, which is -2, plus some unknown number, and -2 minus some unknown number, that's going to get me 6. So it's going to be -2 squared, which is 4, minus 2u plus 2u. Those are going to cancel each other out, minus u squared. So 4 minus u squared equals 6. If I subtract 6 from both sides, I'll get -2. If I add u squared to both sides, I'll get u squared over here. Take the square root of both sides, and I'll get square root of -2. So that means I'm going to have my two roots are -2 plus or minus square root of -2. So that means if I write this in factored form, this is going to be x minus -2 plus square root of -2 times x minus -2 minus square root of -2. And if I simplify that, this is going to be x plus 2 minus square root -2. And then I'm going to have x plus 2 plus square root -2. And just to verify that, let's graph all three of these to make sure we did it right. Let's do x plus 2 squared plus 2. Okay, that looks like my graph here. And then I'm going to do x, oh, no parentheses there, x squared plus 4x plus 6. And then on top of that, I'm going to do x plus 2 minus square root of -2. I'm going to have here x plus 2 plus square root of -2. Oh, I just erased it all. Nice. Okay, so I put it all back in. It's actually not going to let me graph it here because it doesn't take square roots of -2s, but but it would work. Make sure there's a negative right in there.